you don't mind talking about that. Oh, thingy. Huh? Full size. Full steel tires.
Nice.
Okay, you guys stand back a little bit.
Yeah, I lost it.
Yeah, they're all four-wheel drive? All of them except for the Vader cars. Like Jerry's car is four-wheel drive. The Vader, the purple white one. These look pretty good, eh? Yeah, for front-wheel drive. Mine's a little bit bigger. I took the big chassis because you can make the same car in the 3 different modes. 210 mil, 225 mil, and 239. That's 239. Those are all 225.
It just sounds like it's just going.
The problem is I'm running too big and I'm too tippy. Come on, Jelly! Come on! Look better. I want to get. We had no tires left. I thought I would be running my normal small ones. I'm too tippy like this.
Yeah, with the 10 scale, it looks like it wants to snap over.
Oh, it does. Well, it's easier if you stand where they are all standing. Stand where they're all standing. It's really better.
You guys, be careful. Watch out. Nice car. You guys?
Yeah, that's great.
Don't run back and forth. Those guys are running, okay? Watch yourself. Aiden, stay in the middle. Stay in the middle over there.
Oh, yeah.
You guys are blocking your view. Come on, get over here, please. Wait for the cars to go by. Wait for the cars to go by.
Yeah. To a vehicle.
Ah.
But I can't.
Yeah.
Not right now.
You have to be out on a stand or something.
Well, I just need to think. And I ain't thinking.
That's what they combined with this weapon system called the Thor. I think I might have showed you that. This thing will just lock
Oh, yeah.
I think I showed you that one. It has the 3-pronged end on it. And it's a missile that gets it going. And once it's gone, then the missiles disengage, or the tips, the 3 arrow tips disengage, but they still follow that track.
Yeah?
And at least 2 of them will hit the target. And it's called a Thor weapon system. It's developed in Norway.
Yeah. Yeah, well, that's cool.
Oh, very cool. Because the target doesn't even know that it's lit up.
Yeah. Which is the way to go.
Yeah.
Oh!
Amazing. They took commercial technology, television technology, and integrated it.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. This is video, so it's picked up my voice, right?
Well,